Hey everyone, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. With the United States Thanksgiving just weeks away, I thought I would pop on here real quick and show you a way to simplify your preparations from sides to desserts. With one easy recipe for cornbread, you can take care of 3 dishes, giving you way more time out of the kitchen to relax. First up, the cornbread recipe, which is where it all starts. No Thanksgiving table is complete without a pan of cornbread. With this one bowl mix, you're just going to throw all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl and voila, cornbread in no time. As you can see, I do use real corn in my cornbread, and this is optional, but I kinda love it. The full written recipe is linked below this video in the box, so be sure to click through to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab all of that. Now, let's take this very same recipe and bake the batter into jumbo muffin tins for a really unique dessert option this year. A quick strawberry compote and then a brushing of hot melted strawberry jam piled with vegan whipped cream. I love this dessert so much, especially the fact that no one will know it only took minutes to make. Now, last but definitely not least is my vegan stuffing recipe. By using this very same recipe but stale cornbread, you will have the most delicious vegan sausage and sage cornbread stuffing you have ever tried. I use onions, mushrooms, celery, even a bit of grated apples in mine. And let me tell you, you won't be missing anything this Thanksgiving if you just use this one recipe and cover 3 dishes, and the rest is just gravy. Oh yeah, by the way, I have an awesome vegan gravy recipe too. Okay, focus, one thing at a time. But yeah, all the links for these recipes, including full video tutorials for each one, is listed below this video in the box. And definitely stay tuned for my next video for 6 Thanksgiving desserts in one tray. I just got settled back in Florida this week, so I do plan to get filming my first Florida video in my new kitchen next week. In the meantime, you can catch up with me and my vlogs if you're like, wait a minute, you're back in Florida? Yeah, never a dull moment in my life, that's for sure. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again really soon. Until then, happy vegan baking and cooking. Bye for now.